Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update RingCentral for CRM click to dial step by step clearly. To update RingCentral for CRM click to dial, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the RingCentral website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the settings menu in your account dashboard. Look for the applications section and click on it. Scroll down until you find the option for click to dial. Click on the Update button next to the Click to Dial feature. Follow the on-screen prompts to download the latest version. Once downloaded, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the installation wizard instructions carefully. After installation is complete, return to your RingCentral dashboard. Check if the Click to Dial feature is enabled in the settings. To test the feature, navigate to your CRM platform. Click on a phone number within your CRM to initiate a call. Ensure that the RingCentral application opens and dials the number properly. If you encounter any issues, restart your computer and repeat the testing process. If problems persist, revisit the settings to confirm everything is configured correctly. Your RingCentral click to dial functionality should now be fully updated and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.